Hello, in this video we will see how can we generate dynamic tickets and send it to user via WhatsApp bot. So first go to dynamic image, click on create new experience, edit the title here. So I am changing this to ticket, add a background image, now click on personalization and add variables. So here I am entering variable name as name and fallback. So number, category and ticket ID. I'm adding 4 variables here. Now go to components. Let's add a QR code first. Place it. Now click on the edit icon. Here in the QR content, I will map my variable ticket ID. You can change the QR color, background color, size, etc. Now let's add a text block. Click on the edit icon. Under content, map the variable. I'm adding another text block. Click on edit. I'm mapping category here. I will also change the font color for this one. Now adding the third block. Mapping number here. Now let's click on save. Now in the tickets app, click on add new object. Give appropriate title and click on create. Now go to the panel, go to bot builder. Here click on create new bot flow and add a trigger. Now the first step will be add automation app. Search for ticket. Select ticket QR. Select create new QR. Select authentication from the drop down. You will have to create a new authentication. So enter label. Email and password will be the ones that you use to log in the tickets app. And then add new authentication. Event ID. You can get this from the tickets app. The object ID here is the event ID. You can copy this and simply paste it here. Now I will map my variables. So name, WhatsApp number, and under custom field 1 I am taking category. Let's run and save this. Now again click on send message block, image message, select dynamic here, select image experience from the drop down. Now here you will have to map the variables. So I am mapping name, number and category also I am mapping from custom field. Let's assume that we already have the custom field category created. Under ticket ID, click on expand all and here you can click on QR code content. You can enter a caption text and then click on save. Now let's save this workflow, enable it and give it a try. So I entered the trigger keyword here which was dynamic ticket and a ticket is generated. Thank you.